Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for joining us. Today we are back in Catskills, New York, and we're heading out to explore another trail that we found on Onyx Off-Road. Onyx is the only app I use. It's very easy to use, and yeah, it's easy to find trails with the app. And just so you guys know, last night Ian and I went out to explore. We found one trail on the app, and there was only one way in, and once we got to the end of the trail it was blocked, so we had to come around, and on our way back we got caught in a massive thunderstorm, like a very severe thunderstorm, and there were two trees that literally fell right in front of us, so we got lucky with that, and we had to use a new winch and winch those trees out. Finally we were able to get out safely, and this morning we're going out to explore another one. So don't forget to like and subscribe the video. And what else, Ian? You got something to say?
Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube. All right guys, I'll see you on the trail. All right guys, we just got to the trail. Somebody's already testing the waters. There we go. Let's see how difficult this trail is. Should be a nice easy ride. All right, we just pulled up to our first obstacle here. We got a tree down, and this one's about to fall. Ian, what do you think? You think we can get around? Let's see over here. Maybe we can just drive over it, okay? Yeah, let's try to drive over it.
You will not make it.
I think we will. I'm gonna go right over here on the side, over the tree.
Well, I'm not getting on.
All right, let's go back.
Hey guys, we got another obstacle and my dad is gonna try to winch it out.
Come, let's check it out. How big is this? Let's see, we can move some of this by hand.
That was easy to break.
Move some of the stuff out of the way. Oh. Think I can break this?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Probably winch it. Let's grab a winch.
All right.
Let's winch out this fallen tree. We literally just did the same thing yesterday, right, Ian?
Yeah. But except it was 2 trees.
Yeah, but the other ones are much bigger than this.
Uh-huh. Anyways, I was in the car waiting and
Do it like this.
not having a better view, but now since it's not raining, I get to record and yeah.
All right, let's do it. We're gonna do it a little differently. We're gonna hook it up to the side.
So this side, cause
Right here.
I wouldn't hook it up.
We're gonna
'cause
try to just break it and
that tree right there was moving this tree.
Let's show them. In case you guys don't know which winch we're using the OVS, the Overland Vehicle System winch, and I love it. Ian,
Mm-hmm.
come over here.
Alright.
Here you go, look.
I think that's good because we can just ride over that.
Well, that's one part. Yeah, we'll do that. Oh wait, can you?
I'll try.
Let me show you.
Just pull. Alright, I'm just gonna. Yeah, no, I can't.
You can't. Wait, you had breakfast. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I did, but
Yeah.
that was a little breakfast.
All right.
Just try to help.
All right. Let's do it. Just come on this side, okay?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. And show everybody how you do it.
Oh! Tree's falling down, I think. Or is it just that tree?
What?
I thought that tree was falling down right there. But it's that one.
I see.
Stuck maybe.
All right. Let's get in the car, see if we can pull it with the car.
Alright, this is good. We could maybe ride over that. There's the tree right there.
All right, that should do it, right? What do you think?
I
Yeah,
guess.
we can definitely get over this. All right, let me hold the camera so you can come down. Give me a hand. All right, so this is after. Now, we just got to clear the brushes and we should be good to go. All right.
I just got a blister, so yeah.
Yeah, cameraman is out of service. The Crocs gave him a blister on his
But I'm
foot.
just doing this for you guys.
Yeah, he said he's doing it for you guys. All right, come on this side, bud. Let's see if we can get over now. All right. It looks good. Looks good. That's the tree that fell. There we go. That's actually a big tree. All right, let's go over.
Sorry if I moved down a little bit. Just because my blister. Is the top good to go?
I don't know. I hope we could clear it. I think so.
Looks like it.
Just go slow.
Yeah, it's clear. I can definitely see. But it. Never mind.
All right, go passenger.
What? I do not understand what you just said.
All right, you made it. That's good. All right, so I'm just showing you guys the most difficult parts of this trail, which are not really difficult, but I'm just trying to put it into perspective of how this trail is. Just a little slippery because it rained very hard last night. I just stepped in a puddle. Over here it gets a little rocky, but nothing crazy. Hey guys, we just came out of the trail. We just finished airing up. We're gonna start heading home. Hopefully, if we see anything along the way home that is worth visiting, I will share it with you guys and show it to you. As far as the trail goes, I guess it was a 3 out of 10. So Onyx Off-Road was right on the spot when it came down to rating. It was a fun trail. My wife had a blast. She was driving. It was her first time driving on any type of trail. And as usual, Ian had a great time. So, yep. If we find anything along the way, I'll let you know. I'll make sure you guys see it. So you make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.